So good morning from H.J Pugh's Auction Centre here in Ledbury. It's another agricultural auction this weekend, so I thought I'd take you along and just show you what they've got going through, or try and show you, because they're very busy here today and it appears that some are going and some are coming, because the collections are still taking place from last weekend's auction, which was the morning collection. Hoping my gimbal would correct itself. It seems not to want to. Universal tractor. It's a railroad eater. Again, various conditions, some needing restoration, and of course lots of different hallways, ride-ons, spares today. It looks like these ride-ons have been stickered up and numbered up now. They weren't in last weekend's auction. Yanmar. That's Andy. Bit of kit. Zeki. $1,300 Yanmar. And some of them do have the attachments with them as well, which is quite useful. So we'll take a look around. I think the next row is just all farming implements. Yeah, it appears so. I mean, I'll take you up here. Oh, yeah. See if that comes this way. That's unusual. Behind the Land Rover. International. So yeah, as I was saying, a lot of it up that second aisle is farming implements, and again we have a lot of implements up this side as well. Trailers of different kinds. A lot of implements. The auction is taking place this Friday and Saturday, which I think is 6th and 7th, or 7th and 8th. Show trailer and some more. Let's cut through. Can cut through. That's got some patina, that's for sure. Kubota. We've got these side by sides with four wheelers. They are loading up, you can see. forklifts. Scissor lifts. Yeah, someone's bought that one. It's off to new pastures. Again, as you can see, just hundreds of implements. Lovely. Nice little Scania. The big Ford found a home. I'll just take you down here. So I believe these sold as part of a Moore collection. And this is what's being collected today. Yeah, the numbers have been taken off these. I'll show you anyway. As I say, you can always look on our website. They've got a full catalogue available to view on there. Old International and the Marshall colours. Four-wheeler, so I think some of this is going through this weekend and some of it's being collected. I would say a little bit hickledy-pickledy, because they've got collections and of course new lines coming in. The hard cases are lovely. $5,000. Looks like they have got a big assortment to go through on Friday. There's a lot of more garden equipment and garden implements, some more holding stuff. That was lovely. Golden grey. That's quite nice. Little Fergie. So I'm just going to cut through. It's Carrara. Well, I have seen these before because I've seen them here. Other than here, I believe they're quite rare. Big Ford's loaded on. There's the one of those is in the boom. Right, let's take you to McCormick. Just have a quick walk across this top row so I can show you what's going down each aisle, if I can get there. It's a glamping pod. Yeah, a little glamping pod. Quite nice that is. Got some giraffes. And bricks, blocks, stoneworks. So they got some aggregate going through in these bags or compost. Chip-ins. As always, you'd think tractor racing, lawnmower racing would be much more popular, because look at how many are here. There must be 100 or so little ride-on tractors, ride-on mowers. I just spotted something at the other side which I'm a little bit interested in. Mini quad. Snapper. So if you're into racing these sorts of parts, it would be fantastic. You got blocks and bits. Looks like you're gonna have some timber going through as well. Polaris. It's a twin. Yeah, 2-cylinder. Yeah, if you were in for a tractor or ride-on mower or a little quad bike or something, it'd be ideal to pick it up from here if you're nearby. Bit of a restoration project, something for the show season next year. Looks like we've got a stationary engine up here, that's what I was coming to view. More quads and bits. Yeah, that's what I was going to look at. It's a bit of a monster actually. So right, I'm going to leave this video off here. I'll catch you on